Hello students. Have you ever looked around your house and thought about what makes it so special? Your cozy bed where you dream, the table where you do your homework, the dining table where you eat your favorite dishes, and the couch where you snuggle up to watch your favorite movies. And let's not forget about the most important people in the house, your parents and grandparents, who love and care for you every day. It's amazing how everything comes together to create a place where you feel safe, happy, and loved, and all these things make up your very own environment. But students, what exactly is the environment? Well, it's everything you see in your surroundings. That means the school building, the tables and chairs in your classroom, the open field, the road, the garbage, and even your friends, all of it is part of your environment. And did you know that there are two types of things in our environment? Those created by nature and those created by humans? That's right. Nature creates some amazing things like rivers, mountains, forests, and animals. This includes all the biotic and abiotic components. And what are biotic and abiotic components? Biotic components are the living creatures of the earth while abiotic components are the non-living things. But humans are pretty creative too. We have made roads to travel on, cars to help us get around faster, and even clothes to keep us warm and dry. And let's not forget about books, those amazing creations that let us learn and explore all sorts of new things. Let's start with the natural environment, which includes land, water, air, plants, and animals. So are you ready to learn about the amazing natural environment that surrounds us? Let's get started with the different spheres of our environment. First up, we have the lithosphere, the hard top layer of the earth. This is where we get our beautiful forests, grasslands, and land for agriculture and human settlements. And hold on tight because the lithosphere is also a source of precious minerals that we use in our daily lives. Can you believe it? Next, let's explore the hydrosphere, all the sources of water that surround us. This includes our sparkling rivers, shimmering lakes, salty seas, and vast oceans. Water is essential for all living organisms, including us humans. It's no wonder that we are often called the water planet. But wait, there is more. The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth and protects us from harmful rays and the scorching heat of the sun. It's made up of different gases, dust, and water vapor. And guess what? The weather and climate are influenced by the changes that occur in the atmosphere. Last but not least, we have the biosphere, the living world. This includes all the plants and animals that share our planet with us. The biosphere is a narrow zone where land, water, and air interact with each other to support life. And you, my young friends, are a part of this wonderful biosphere. Moving on, students, did you know that all plants, animals, and even us humans rely on our surroundings to survive? It's true. We are all connected and depend on each other. These special connections between living organisms and their environments create something truly extraordinary called an ecosystem. Now, imagine an ecosystem with beautiful forests where trees, birds, and insects work together to create a home for themselves. Or picture a calm pond where frogs, fish, and turtles live in harmony, relying on each other to survive. But ecosystems aren't just in forests and ponds. They are everywhere. From the mighty oceans to the smallest patch of grass in your backyard, they all are the examples of ecosystem. And even humans are a part of ecosystems. We rely on plants for oxygen, animals for food, and the environment for shelter and resources. We're all connected, and that's what makes our world so special. So, in short, an ecosystem is a community of living things, like plants, animals, and humans, that depend on each other and their environment to survive. Next, we will learn about the human environment. Students, do you know that humans interact with the environment and make changes according to their needs? Yes, we humans have been adapting ourselves to nature since ancient times. But as our needs grew, we learned new ways to modify our environment. From growing crops to building cities, we have done it all. And we didn't stop there, we invented things like the wheel, which allowed us to trade with people far away. We can now communicate with anyone around the world at the click of a button. But all of this progress comes with a catch. We need to maintain a balance between our natural environment and the environment we create. We need to use our resources wisely and live harmoniously with nature. After all, it's the only one we have got. So, students, as you can see, the environment is a vast and a network of living and non-living things that depend on each other for survival. We must understand that we are not separate from our environment, but a part of it, and we have a responsibility to protect it. Every action we take, big or small, affects the environment, and we must be mindful of our impact. Remember, we only have one planet, and it's up to us to keep it beautiful and healthy for generations to come. So let's all work together to protect our magical world, the environment. Now that you have understood the topic, open the EduRev app and take the test of this chapter. Your marks are going to tell whether you have understood the topic. Also, here is an amazing secret. You get video lectures, chapter notes, and MCQ tests for all the chapters in the EduRev app. That's the magic of EduRev courses, you get everything in a single place. And, not just social studies, you get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more on EduRev. Thank you.